One of the more significant changes that came out of COVID that we're seeing in the mortgage marketplace and seeing a gap for clients is so many clients move from W-2 standard jobs to self-employed type work. So delivery driver for Uber Eats, or doing Uber, or those kinds of things. Instacart, all these contactless service companies became big. Well, all those borrowers, of course, now get a 1099 statement versus a W-2 from the employer. Why does that matter? It matters because now they're considered self-employed. So meaning the employer doesn't take out the taxes, take out the deductions. Essentially, we have to then treat the client as a self-employed borrower. Well, there's been changes in the last year and a half to self-employed borrowers through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, as well as FHA. And so extra restrictions on them as far as how they're being documented for liquidity tests and the analysis of current year trends compared to prior years used, analyzed for a stable income. So CrossCountry Mortgage has developed some great programs to help clients, because there's this huge trend in people changing from traditional type models to more of self-employed, and it's anticipated to continue to rise the number of self-employed borrowers. So CrossCountry Mortgage has been great and proactive in these situations to come up with some great programs for clients using 1099s only to qualify them. We have other programs where we can use bank statement only programs to qualify the client 100%. So if they are a self-employed business owner and really taking off in the recent years, that's a great product for them, because traditionally we have to use 2 years of tax returns averaged over the last 2 years to qualify for the income. If somebody's business is really taken off lately, it doesn't really account for or attribute for that in their approval. So we have some great programs like our 1099 program, the bank statement program, like I talked about. We also have some programs for clients that have large asset portfolios, where we can give them a loan just based on how much money they have in the bank. So some unique different products that are coming into play and we're actually utilizing for clients now and starting to close those loans. We also have products for investors. So this is really exciting. Investment properties also have been tightened a little bit by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, so they don't really want as many of them as anymore like they have in years past. So CrossCountry Mortgage has come out with an investor cash flow program. So we can basically use the rental income to qualify the client, qualify the property exclusively with a significant or with an acceptable down payment. Not a significant, but with an acceptable down payment. So all of those programs obviously have all their own rules, limitations, all credit requirements will apply, subject to final underwriting, all of those disclosures, right? But there's been this trend. Huge growth in self-employed borrowers. So obviously there's going to be more people needing these products in the marketplace, and the conventional markets really aren't attributing to that. Kind of some of the other big industries that are on the rise right now are industries like fitness, especially in-home fitness equipment, in-home fitness offerings, contactless food ordering, convenience, contactless delivery, and then obviously educational technology has been a really big gap where people are filling, becoming more self-employed and filling those gaps in the marketplace. So COVID has created obviously some opportunities as well in some of these other market segments for people that are entrepreneurs looking to take a stab at it. According to a University of Maryland economist, basically the highest annual total records of new business filings were filed in 2020. So just new LLCs formed, new partnerships, things like that are created and filed at the state. So pretty obvious that it's going to be a trend that's not going to go away and probably will likely become more prevalent. So I'm really proud to be working at CrossCountry and being able to offer these products proactively in the market to fill the needs of consumers in these changing times where the standard job isn't going somewhere working an 8-hour shift anymore. It's become a little bit different than that, and because of that, we have some great products to help those clients. If you have transitioned due to COVID, due to a great opportunity and a great entrepreneurial spirit that you have, you are self-employed and having trouble getting qualified, you want to give us a call today so that we can see if these products will help you and your family be able to buy homes, invest in real estate, buy investment property, second homes, everything. So give us a call. We're happy to help see what we can make work for you.